Good morning, everyone. This is Berlin Biker, and back by popular demand, more sound, startup sequences, things like that of all the bikes that I get to ride during my first impressions series. If you don't know what that is, I get the opportunity to ride a bunch of motorcycles in and around Germany, and I'm making a bunch of videos for you guys to like. If you like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So, what do we have today? Today we have a 2018 Yamaha MT09. Proudly given to me by Yamaha Zentrum Berlin. It's a wonderful shop, Yamaha shop in Berlin, Germany. It's actually where I picked up my personal Yamaha MT07. So, with that being said, let's do the startup sequence of this MT09 because it is heavenly of an exhaust note. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching so far. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Lots and lots of new bikes and content coming in the next few months. All right, guys, Berlin Biker is out. Ride safe.